Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the Revolve tool under the part design workbench. Revolve tool is basically used to create a circular object. It may be shaft or flange or anything else which is circular in a shape. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So if we see this image here, A is a profile, B is a axis, and this profile revolved with respect to axis, and here is a circular object created. So we will see what are the other options in a Revolve tool. If you have used any other CAD software like SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, CATIA, UG, or Solid Edge, then you may have gone through this Revolve tool. These tools having the different name in a different software. Here in FreeCAD it's known as a revolutions. So for this we will understand how to use it under the various options available. So first I will create a body, and I have activated the part design workbench. Now I will on my origin plane, and here we have the three planes. So we will create a sketch on any of the plane, but I will select this YZ plane and create a sketch, and I will go to the model tab, press the space bar, and off my origin plane. Now here I will select the polyline tool and create a rough profile. And now I will give the dimensions. So before giving the dimensions, I will select a line tool, and I will draw a horizontal line, and I will make it a construction. I will select it and I will make it a coincident relation, and now I will give the dimensions. I will select this one and give some approximate dimension. Let's say I give 10 mm, and now I will give the total length. I will select it and give the horizontal. Let's see, I give it 60, and from origin point to this point, vertical one, give the 15. And now I will select the stop points and origin points and give the dimension of let's say 45. Now I will give this horizontal dimension of 10 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained. I will switch to the isometric view. Now I will close my sketch. Now we will select our sketch and click on the Revolve tool. So here FreeCAD automatically took this Z axis, if you see with respect to our UCS. So when we revolve, FreeCAD automatically took some axis, but here we can select our own axis. For example, here we have the construction line which we have created in our sketch. if you select it, then you can see that the shape has been changed. Apart from that, you can select any axis like x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. So if it is revolve is not possible with respect to x-axis, so it will not be revolved, but if I select the z-axis, it has been selected. And we have one more options which is known as a select reference. If you click on the select reference, then you can click on your own reference. So here possibilities is that this part may be revolved with respect to z-axis or with respect to y-axis. So here I can select my own axis. So we have a multiple options here available. Now if we go here, we have the angle options. This is a 360-degree revolve, but I want it half, so I can give the angle 180. So you can see that it has been revolved 180 degree. Now if I keep the symmetric to the plane, then it will consider this y-axis plane and it will make it a symmetric. If I uncheck it, then it will be unsymmetric. And we can change the angle as per our requirement. Either we want half, quarter or full. So this is how you can use the revolve tool in FreeCAD. So now I will keep it 360 degree, and always check on this update view and click on OK. So this is the very small tutorial how to use the revolve tool in FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable